Before having a system, we need to have a proper project database management ka system. Project management is about so many people working together on certain system. If those things are not clearly visible or clearly organized, there will be total confusion. वो file कहाँ है, इसका ये कहाँ है, उसका वो कहाँ है, right? So what we need to have is a simple Google Drive. You can have year-wise folder. You can have your project-wise folder. And within that folder, you can have your docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, anything and everything related to that particular project. Whatever projects you are managing, for example, in this sample sheet, you can see there is a date, project name, designs, all the designs, the file link, जो भी designs बने हैं, उस project की planning की file, उसका link, project की timeline, उसका link, उसकी delivery report, post event के बाद, project complete होने के बाद, उसकी एक report तो बनेगी, उसका link. All of this should be here in one sheet, so that over the period of time when you want to look at any project and any document related to that project, you should have all the necessary files in a single sheet for that project. Have some system, कुछ होना चाहिए ताकि आपको ढूंढना पड़े, तो आप easily you can go back and refer to that all the documents of that particular project. That is one. And second, जब भी हम नया प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड सब कुछ एक फोल्डर में है और वही डॉक्यूमेंट्स टीम के साथ शेयर हो रहा है, एंड टीम इज वर्किंग ऑन दोस डॉक्यूमेंट इन रियल टाइम. You should have a master checklist which you should duplicate and issue for the new project. If you have certain flow or script or anything document ke format, so you should have master files of these things. You have some system to retrieve your data. You have some system to collaborate with your team on the projects. We have to optimize our systems कि we are able to deliver whatever they need in real time and also to show to the client.